And yes, y'all, this is a different kind of dedication to my man Marcus from Kansas City. But I'm just telling you straight on up, don't be messing with no drugs. Whether you're young, whether you're old, whether you're bad, whether you're bold. Don't mess with it cause it's not for the soul. And we're gonna do it a little something with 3 subjects like this. Subject 1 is about a brother by the name of John who was selling crack just like it was Avon. And you know the reason I say was because that's no longer what my man John does. There was a time when he was wearing much gold, driving a Benz Jaguar and a Rolls. The lifestyle he lived was far from Penny Annie. Yo, word to Granny's panties, cause he will make dope grow and sling it like a yo-yo. Being broke was just a no-no. But then the day came when John got caught, and he was dropped like pantyhose without support. You should have thought about what you did in the past to realize this fast living wouldn't last. But the same guy that was a big time hooligan is now in jail waiting for someone to do coke. Subject 2 in this one is a doozy. A messed up story about a girl named Susie. Now effort and wick and problems may seem enough, but you know she had to get Scotty to beam her up. On a crack mission, no type of ambition. Make blunts disappear better than a magician. Her eyes got dim, her body got slim. She said there's nothing in the world like a good old stem. On it like on it, and it was strong. Grabbed the pipe and sung a song. I want to get high, so high. I want to get high, so high. She go and buy a nice rock just to suit her, to hit the weed spot to be blessed by Buddha. Bum off for Lucy to complete a stimulation. Put it all together for a perfect combination. I mean, this girl will actually buy a rock with the very last dime she got in her pocket. And when she saw her friends coming from the spot like Prudential, she got a piece of their rock. That's why. Subject 3, finally, the about a girl by the name of Marie. She used to be hot, beautiful to the utmost. I mean, this girl was blessed with an overdose of curves, swerves, word to the mother, my brother. And boy, did the Beyonce love her. But then, those were the days, my friend, we thought they'd never end. And she looked alright till the escapist Markie. But then she got on drugs, started wearing extensions and rugs, and let me tell you, was a habit to Marie. Because nowadays Marie don't look so hot. Every time that I see her, she's headed for the spot. Her hair is all naughty, cause Scotty got a body, and her underarms kicking like her no karate. Her clothes are real dirty, and usually the same. As for money, she don't have a dime to claim. Because when I saw the girl the other day, she was putting a pack of annihilators on layaway.